Yes, children, I explain you the poem, geography lesson. Now, let us see about the poet and let us see the pictures. Okay, what did our poet say? He told 3 points. Okay, first let us go about the poet Zulfikar Ghosh. He is a novelist, poet, essayist, born on 13th March in the year 1935. Remember the children? In the year 1935 March in Sialkot, Pakistan. Later, he became a citizen of US in 2004. His works display a fusion of harsh reality and some magical moments. He did all good things, and his works means what? He wrote nice poems and essays, so that made like a magical moments to the people. Okay, it was a nice moment for them to remember that we didn't think he got what all we didn't get ideas he got like that. Okay, now his first novel, The Contradictions, explores differences between Western and Eastern attitudes and ways of life. So, how the people are living, how the life of the people is, everything is explained in his poems and essays. Okay, now let us go to the first, children. First, I told you in this you have how many stanzas you have in this poem. You have 4 stanzas. Okay, so the first will be telling about why the city is disturbed, not in a order wherever it is grown. Second stanza tells about the logic of geography. Okay, why people are attracted to the land and water more polluted. Wherever there is land and water, they are more polluted. Next, third is the earth is with round shape. Earth is in round shape and it has more water and less land. Next, fourth one is why people are hating each other. When God has given such a beautiful things, they can live happily, they can survive happily, but still then why they are killing each other, why they are fighting each other. These 4 things you have to remember. Why the city is not in a proper planned way, why the city is haphazard. Remember this word. Why the you use good vocabulary, children. Why the city is haphazard, not planned and ordered. Next, the logic of geography lesson. Okay, why the people geographic lesson. What is the logic of geography lesson? Why people are attracted to land and water. Next, third one is the earth is round and with more water and less land. Next, fourth one is why people are killing each other. These 4 things are explained in this poem. Okay, now see here why the city is disturbed. Somewhere tall buildings, long buildings, small roads. Why it is not planned all tall buildings one side, all short buildings one side? Why it is not planned? Like this type of doubt he got in. He was very irritated until he went into the plane and saw from the plane. He didn't get the idea. When he was on the earth, on the land, he was thinking why one building is tall, one building is short, why this nonsense, like this he was feeling. Then once he went on to the very height, when he was in less height, he came to know. Now see here, when he went into the more height, he finds everything is in order. All buildings on side, some lands and all. Okay, now let us go to the next. Here, people are crowded. Here, why there are thickly people in cities and here near water, valleys, more populated area. Wherever there are valleys, wherever there is water, people are more crowded there. People start living more crowded. Next, earth. Why this blue part? You see, children, the blue part is more than green part, isn't it? So the green part is land, blue part is water. So why there is more water? Earth is round. One point he came to know is that earth is round and the blue part is more, means water level is more and land part is less. 70% of the earth is covered with water and 30% of the earth is covered with land. See, in this globe also you can understand this blue part full is all is sea and this part is all water, land. Okay, this blue is water. Next, now why the last point is why people are hating each other. Why are they killing each other? Why they get angry on each other? Okay, And next, he don't know, his doubt is not cleared. Why still then why people now? Don't you have in your families children, in your families, in our families, everybody in the houses or outside, they fight each other, they talk, they put long faces. The upper they seen one, inner they seen different, isn't it? So these things, why is it happening? Why people are not enjoying the nature? Why people are not happy with whatever they want? Why are they not satisfied? And why these boundaries? Why these cities, states, countries? Why these all boundaries? Why these walls? So he got it out. So I want you to remember these pictures carefully. When I do a phone call for you, I will be asking you children. Okay, now so here he explained about the city, he explained about the geography, the logic of geography, land and water. Next he explained about the earth, and next he explained about the people. Okay, the narrow mindedness of the people is explained. Okay, but was he doubt cleared? No, it was not cleared. Till now we can't say that why people are killing each other. Is it happening in the world or not? Yes, everywhere it is happening. They are murdering, killing, they are hating each other for money, for properties. That people will not leave. That narrow mindedness of the people will not go at all. Never change. People will never change. Okay, but we children, you are the citizens of the future world. So you should not be like that. You should enjoy everything. You should be free minded, be free to all, love each other, help each other, maintain fraternity, neighborhood. Children, I don't want you all to be like that. By seeing these poems, you must take something positive. What the poet is telling, correct. From up you see the earth, it looks very beautiful. You see in many videos of YouTube, you see the earth and different things, what are happening on the earth. They are miracles. Miracles, some things are done by man only. Some things are like miracles. Everything are done by man. Most of them are done by man. Such a tall buildings are constructed by man. Did God come and create? No. Did he construct? No. Everything done by man used his brain and did everything. Statues, some shopping malls, decorations, buildings, towers and all. But still, when they are able to do everything, but still why people are fighting? When God has given such good facilities, good earth, good sources, good natural resources, why people are fighting? We should not be like that, children. We should see that we should love each other, help each other, maintain fraternity, brotherhood. Okay, you are the future generation. Think that and go mingle with everyone, help each other. Okay, children, we learned something from this poem. Okay, bye.